We're blending up a chocolate peanut butter smoothie with the flavors of a Snickers bar, but with a secret healthy vegetable. It's high in protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make this easy smoothie, we're going to start with our liquid base, which is any milk that you like. And you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details. So I'm going to start with half a cup of some unsweetened almond milk. Now to add some protein to the smoothie, we're going to add some cottage cheese. Now you could also use Greek yogurt, but it is tangier, so you might need to add a little bit more sweetener. And that's why I really like using cottage cheese. And it gets blended smooth, so you'll no longer have that curdled texture. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup of cottage cheese. And then we'll add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. And you can use any variety that you like. I really like using some unsweetened natural peanut butter. And then we'll add 3 tablespoons of your favorite chocolate protein powder. I really like using this plant-based protein powder because it's naturally sweetened and we really like the flavor of it. And I've included a link in the description below if you'd like to check it out. And for a little more chocolate, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And then for some natural sweetness, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of some maple syrup. You can always add a touch more if you like it a little bit on the sweeter side. Now I promised a secret vegetable, and it's frozen cauliflower. When cauliflower is frozen, the flavor is even more subtle, and it's a great way to add extra nutrition to your smoothie as well as make it extra creamy. And then having it frozen is like adding a few ice cubes. So I'm just gonna add half a cup of frozen cauliflower. And then we'll just screw on our lid, put it on the base, and blend until smooth. Now we have this very delicious smelling chocolate peanut butter Snickers inspired smoothie. So all we have to do is drop in our straw and enjoy. That is delicious. I instantly get the smooth chocolatey flavor as well as the peanut butter, and I would never guess that there was cauliflower in this smoothie. And if you'd like it to taste a little bit sweeter, you can go ahead and add half of a frozen banana. And if you would like more healthy inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. And I also want to thank you for joining me today in my kitchen. A link to the full recipe is in the description below, which will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.